Hello everyone. Now this is once again a video prepared for the topic part of double entry system where classification of accounts are being determined and followed. See, basically double entry system, what we have studied students, it is the account which has been prepared in which two accounts are simultaneously affected, in which one account may increase and the other account may decrease, which is also said as the term debit and credit in accounting. Actually, accounting is nothing but the increase and decrease effect of the given transaction. That increase and decrease effect is named as the term debit or credit, which may used according to the situation or statement. Now following with the classification of accounts, the basic classification of account is followed on the traditional as well as the modern approach. What is traditional approach and what is modern approach? Traditional approach is also named as British approach, whereas modern approach is named as American approach. Now traditional and modern approach follows few rules or guidelines of accounting. Under traditional approach, we have studied earlier and noted that our accounts are classified into three categories named as personal account, real account, as well as nominal account. And I hope students you have studied these in my previous videos and lecture. What is personal, what is real, what is nominal account, the examples which are being followed. I am using these terms here because we are going to follow these accounts and applying those rules for the accounting procedure. First of all, I will discuss traditional approach. Thereafter, I will discuss the modern approach. So, traditional approach follows with the three accounts: personal, real, as well as nominal. The rule of traditional approach under personal account says, see, before explaining the rules, you will see on the left side I have written increase and decrease. On the right side I have used the term debit and credit. So we are going to focus on these two terms, increase, decrease, as well as debit and credit. So debit and credit short form is debit DR, credit CR. Under personal account, the rule says debit the receiver, credit the giver. जो रिसीव कर रहा है उसका बैलेंस बढ़ेगा, जो दे रहा है उसका बैलेंस कम होगा. That is increase and decrease, receiver and giver. The rule of real account says what comes in is debited, what goes out is credited. जो बिजनेस में आ रहा है उसे बढ़ाओ, डेबिट करो. जो बिजनेस से जा रहा है उसे कम करो, क्रेडिट करो. दैट इज इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज, डेबिट, क्रेडिट. Similarly, nominal account says all expense and loss for a business they are debited, whereas all income and gain in a business they are credited. So students, once again remember, these debit and credit is applied with all those transactions which are identified in terms of money, which is the first step of accounting cycle. Until and unless the transaction is an accounting purpose or in monetary terms, these rules are not applicable for such transaction or statement. Clear? Now a slight change will be seen and observed when we are applying modern approach. Actually, modern approach follows these 5 items in totality, in which the all accounting rules can be applied and made applicable. They are the term assets, liability, capital, revenue and expense. All business transactions are somewhere around moving in these 5 items. In 5 items, we are now discussing the increase and decrease effect by applying the rule of modern approach. So the first item of modern approach is asset. I hope you all remember till now what are assets. Assets are the possession or the property in which the business is dealing and business can generate money out of that are assets. So rule of asset says if asset is increasing we will debit it, if assets are decreasing we will credit it. Okay. Similarly liability is the amount which firm owes to outsider. ऐसा पैसा जो बिजनेस में बिजनेस को बाहर वालों को या बिजनेस में देना है किसी को, वो सब बिजनेस की क्या होती है, लाइबिलिटी. इफ लाइबिलिटी इज इंक्रीजिंग वी विल क्रेडिट इट, इफ लाइबिलिटी इज डिक्रीजिंग वी विल डेबिट. डिक्रीज होना मतलब हमने दे दिया तो लाइबिलिटी कम हो गई तो हम क्या करेंगे, डेबिट करेंगे, बढ़ेगी तो क्रेडिट करेंगे. Similarly capital is the amount invested by the owner in the business. Capital is increasing we will credit it, capital is decreasing we will decrease or debit it. Revenue is what, the money collected against sale of goods or any income received. If income is received in business we are increasing means we will credit it. If income is decreasing we will debit it. Okay. Expenses, any amount spent in producing or in generating the money for a business, that expense if increased we will debit it, if expense has decreased we will credit it. Whether students we apply traditional or modern approach, you may apply any of them, but applying these rules will not change the accounting procedure, because when we are going to apply these in the practical portion we can follow either of the approach, modern approach or traditional approach, and the resultant impact, increase, decrease or debit or credit effect of the situation will be same, either we apply traditional approach or we apply the modern approach. We need to learn and remember these impact, and then in my later video I will explain with a transaction how it is going to impact the increase and decrease effect in the questions. This is to remember and understood, which we will apply in further topics with the help of question.